all right. The truest definition of community right here.
You already know, man. We out here working, man.
And it's Sebastian.
Out here working.
So we, Sebastian, as you guys know, he built this beast here.
Oh, he built that beast right there?
Yeah, this is the one with 700. What is it, 600?
Yeah, it's on 600.
600?
Yeah, 600.
600 horsepower. He built these flares himself.
Okay.
Yeah. And these are steel, right?
Yeah. Steel welded on, bonded a little bit.
Damn. Yeah. And these bumpers were
They were on,
Machos
yeah.
on board.
Yeah.
So these are, you know, the green one that they totaled?
Yeah.
These are the front and rear bumpers.
Oh, okay.
The
So-
bumpers, the side skirts. I only have the driver's side skirt on right now, or the passenger one.
Okay.
You coming tomorrow?
And
Or no?
then, yeah, I'm coming more.
Okay.
Yeah,
Because
I'll
you've been slacking, bro.
Yeah,
slacking?
Listen,
I'll be there.
He core E30. He been E30 mile from day one.
Yeah.
So he built this.
He
thing.
built you built the engine?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I did it
There's
all.
two
yeah.
different worlds, right? There's the mechanical side, and you'll agree, right?
Yeah.
There's the mechanicals, bolting everything together. Now making it work
Okay.
with the tune, that's an art in itself.
Okay.
So, and that's where this man comes in, because this car, my God, I've seen this thing spin in fourth gear. That one time, I was before he put these super duper wide fenders here.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead. Let's take a look at Reggie's M3.
Yeah,
This.
so the only thing we did, we swapped out this turbo.
And it was running fine before.
Yeah, it's right.
So what you thinking?
It feels great.
Really?
Yeah, it feels good. The only thing I just don't want him to get into like boost because I can't read like his air fuel. Like I don't
The
know
air
if he's
mix,
running lean. Yeah. I don't know
So
if he's running lean or not, and I don't want to be, risking it without being able to see it.
question for you. So if he were to order, you tell him what to order and he were to get it,
Yeah. we'll
could
put-
you help him install it?
Yeah.
What would you charge for that?
I'll just put it in, man. It doesn't take long. Like you already have the bung and stuff. It's probably gonna be like a 20-minute thing, 30-minute thing to just get it up and plugged in. Get
well,
to ride it around in a cool M3. That's cool.
Well, listen, at the very minimum, you got your E30 mob hat and shirt waiting for you. You get to pick the color.
You already
cool.
know, man.
Yeah, and the BBS boys, your pick of the gear.
What's that?
So this is the MAF the RK Tunes recommends and what they use. The
That's a
BMW
MAF?
5000. Yeah, the MAF sensor.
Get out of here.
Yeah, so yeah, it's all good.
I'm on the highway, I'll be ready to hit this shit like I used to.
I want to.
I got a new manager in here, a new person. This nigga talking about $35 for a hat. I'm not paying no $30 for $5. So the guy that was doing and it's stupid.
Nah,
It's $10.
Not tuned.
not tuned at all.
It
Okay,
ain't?
okay.
It looks good.
It's burning well.
Yeah, there's not any white on it. It's brown. Looks fine. I want to check the gauge on it.
So how important is the gapping on that when you're doing turbos?
It needs to be on point. If you're making high boost, like I go 0.021. This looks like it's at 0.024, which is good. Yeah, it looks good. I mean, sparks look good.
Oh, super duper awesome afternoon doing what all three of us love.
Let's go.
BMWs, E30s, cars, classics. So Sebastian, let's talk real quick. Where do we land? What do we learn today? Is it tuned? First of all, in your opinion?
I don't think it's tuned. It looks like the stock chip. But the car is driving fine. So until we get a gauge and are able to measure air fuel ratio,
Phase
we're
two.
not gonna.
So phase one is, it turns out we have a bungle here, right? That
Yep.
we're gonna tap in and put an air. What is it?
An air fuel ratio gauge.
Okay.
So we have the bung there. Once we get the gauge, we can just put the sensor on, wire it up, and then we'll be able to meter the air and fuel ratio that's being provided.
And that's critical for turbo because that's how you know if it's running lean or rich.
Yeah. So you want that perfect mixture, and you want to make sure you're not running lean, because if you're running lean under boost, motor could blow.
Okay.
So phase one is to make sure the car is able to drive right now.
Okay.
Phase two is let's get it tuned, let's push it to its limits and make it reliable while doing so.
Right.
So phase two is one, we're gonna adjust the intake piping. We're gonna relocate the MAF sensor to be in a straight pipe. To do so, it's gonna have to be somewhere around here, but since the blow-off valve is too close, we're gonna relocate the blow-off valve too. So we just gotta order some pipe to redo every section from here. So somewhere around down here by the frame. And then at the same time, we're gonna lower this down so that it's not up high and doesn't start messing anything with the hood.
True.
And at that point, I think you should be ready for a tune.
And then guys, stay tuned because we're gonna capture it. We're gonna capture Sebastian working on all of that. Now, Sebastian has a full-time job, right? So again, if he doesn't respond to you, come to the meets.
Come to the meets.
Come to the meets. You'll see him. You can talk cars, and we can talk about all of that in person. However, it's really hard to get to everybody, as most of you guys know on E30 Mob. If you don't hit me on Really Izzy, we're not talking. So with that said, guys, till next time.